Hey everybody, Jason Hooper here with Protection and Control Solutions. Here to talk to you today about Meltric plugs and receptacles, a product line the team here at PCS has been proud to represent for a number of years. Let's talk about what makes Meltric unique. Meltric offers a unique pressure butt contact system that differentiates them from our competitors in the marketplace. Most of our competitors offer a twist lock or a pin and sleeve device. Here's what's different about ours. We offer constant tension with one side being spring-loaded and one side being rigid. Our connection is made with silver nickel, which is 20 times more conductive than brass. Additionally, our product, since it makes and breaks just like a motor starter, is actually rated as a motor starter, and it's a UL disconnect switch in the form of a plug-in receptacle. That means our customers, any qualified personnel, you do not need to be an electrician, can safely make and break, connect and disconnect the product under load up to 100 horsepower or 200 amps. That's a tremendous value. Additionally, our product is rated IP69K for folks in the food and beverage industry, or NEMA 4X for folks in other applications that might be more familiar with that terminology. We offer auxiliary contacts for being able to be applied in VFD applications, as well as for motor status and other auxiliary devices. Let's take a peek at how the product works. There's simply two positions with the Meltric device, which cannot be said for all products on the market. Our product is connected or disconnected, and there's no in between. Any qualified personnel, somebody that's been trained on how to operate the product, simply walks up, presses the paw, disconnects the product, rotates the product. All of the incident energy that could exist is contained within the internal arc chambers, and there's a shutter mechanism here as well. Once you rotate, that shutter mechanism is activated or deactivated. Simply disconnect, lock and tag out the device here, or you can go over to the receptacle side, and we offer an option to drill out the paw so you can lock it in the on and or off position. Whoops, I dropped the Meltric product, but it's a good thing. It's robust and it won't break. I forgot to mention, if your product happens to break, all of our parts are field replaceable, and we don't gouge our customers. All of the renewal parts, if you add up the price of every individual ones, equals the price of what a new unit would cost. So we have your interest in mind and make sure we take care of our customers. We also offer a 5-year warranty on all internal parts within our devices. Meltric products are commonly used as a line-of-sight motor disconnect, connected directly onto the junction box of a motor, or coming off with a cord whip going over to a pedestal. This allows tremendous flexibility for our customers, offering them a line-of-sight disconnect that any qualified personnel can make and break under load. This ensures worker safety. Let's say something happens and somebody needs to go turn off a device. You don't have to risk any exposure to your employees, and anybody can safely disconnect that device, protecting them and the person potentially in harm's way. Next is welding receptacles. The world changed a few years ago with the code changing. The National Electric Code and NFPA 70E have came out with additional standards to ensure workers' safety. This requires all welders, temporary, to be disconnected by a qualified personnel under their NFPA 70E guidelines. That means there needs to be visual verification of de-energization. There's no better process than showing visual de-energization than showing your plug and your receptacle in your hands. Your line and your load are disconnected. So this ensures worker safety, reduces cost, and allows our customers to focus on their business. Next is cord drops. Cord drops are an area we see tremendous amount of customer interest from, as going up and down on scissor lifts to connect and disconnect bus plugs or plugs and receptacles up in the ceiling are dangerous to the workers going up and down and to personnel around. Our product eliminates that risk altogether, as you're able to bring the load down closer to the machine and connect and disconnect at the device. Additionally, we offer hazardous locations. Recently, our ratings here have increased to 100 horsepower on motors or 250 amps on branch circuit devices. This is a tremendous differentiator for Meltric in Class 1 Division 2 rated products. We offer multi-pin with horsepower rated contacts up to 37 pins, and we get into high ampacity. We offer 600 and 400 amp single pole devices. We have a new robust 400 amp 3-pole device in the form factor of a 250 amp device. We have a 200 amp plug-in receptacle here. We offer a number of different temporary power solutions from standard turtles to custom configured products as well. We get into retrofit plates. If you have a competitor's product installed today, it's very simple to change it out over to a Meltric device. Simply tell us the part number of the existing box that you have. We'll machine out a retrofit plate that bolts into your existing bolt pattern, and our devices mounts on the inner pattern. Most of the time, Meltric devices are smaller than our competitors, so it makes a retrofit very easy. We also have our 100, 60, 30, and 20 amp devices that you'll see there. So we greatly appreciate your time and listening to this video. I almost forgot, I didn't go to the gym today, so I need to get a workout in. We also offer our 600 amp 3-pole plug-in receptacle. So for your needs from a 600 amp all the way down to a 20, Meltric has you covered, and we look forward to connecting soon.